Think $50 can't buy you anything cool? Think again. Today, we're diving into the 16 coolest gadgets under $50 on AliExpress you'll actually want. From futuristic tech to everyday game changers, these aren't your average budget buys. These are must-haves that'll leave you wondering how they're so affordable. You can find links to all these gadgets in the description. Let's jump into the list and get your wish list ready. Ulanzi Smart Pixel Clock. This smart pixel clock brings a perfect blend of functionality and style. Featuring a vibrant pixel display that shows real-time YouTube followers, it's a must-have for creators looking to add flair to their setup. The weather forecast function ensures you stay informed, while the customizable pixelated messages add a fun touch to any room. With easy setup and crisp, colorful animations, this clock is both a productivity booster and a modern aesthetic piece. Transform any space with a 3D hologram fan. Offering a high resolution, it delivers clear visuals even in bright environments. The 224 LED light beads produce stunning holographic images that look like they're floating in mid-air. Perfect for stores, bars, and events. Custom video and image editing are made easy with its provided software. Wi-Fi control allows for seamless operation from iOS and Android devices, adding a futuristic vibe to any location. This dual-lens IP dome robot camera ensures crystal-clear monitoring with its full-color night vision. AI-powered humanoid detection minimizes false alerts, offering accurate security coverage. The two-way audio feature allows real-time communication, ideal for home security, baby monitoring, or keeping an eye on pets. The camera's smooth pan and tilt capabilities cover every angle, making it a reliable choice for anyone seeking advanced protection with smart features. This mini drone delivers incredible aerial photography with its 4K 1080p HD camera. Its 5-sided obstacle avoidance technology ensures a safe flight experience, while the foldable arms make it easy to take on the go. Whether a beginner or professional, the intuitive radio remote control offers precise navigation. With features like headless mode and one-key auto return, flying has never been more accessible or enjoyable. These open-ear -0 wireless headphones offer exceptional comfort with their lightweight design and flexible hooks. The sound quality is balanced, providing clear highs and rich mids, perfect for gaming, ASMR, or casual listening. Waterproof and built to withstand all weather conditions, they are ideal for active lifestyles. With up to 6 hours of playtime and 40 hours with a charging case, these headphones are perfect for long listening sessions without compromising comfort. Create a dreamy, calming atmosphere with this starry sky projection humidifier. Its rotating function and LED lighting enhance any space, while the mist adds moisture to the air, making it perfect for dry environments. Compact and portable, it's ideal for bedrooms, cars, or desks. The gentle aroma diffusion adds a relaxing touch, and it operates quietly, making it the perfect companion for an undisturbed night's sleep. This laser protractor combines accuracy and convenience for any home or office project. With its Type-C charging and dual functionality as an angle meter and laser level ruler, it provides versatile measurement options. While it doesn't feature automatic leveling, the laser line is accurate and clear for precise measurements. a great tool for anyone needing reliable angle and level measurements for DIY or professional tasks. The Vandalion X19 is a compact and stylish digital music player that exceeds expectations. With its 2.01-inch touchscreen, navigating through songs, videos, and ebooks is easy and enjoyable. Bluetooth connectivity makes wireless streaming seamless, while the built-in audio and video recorder adds a useful touch for capturing moments or notes on the go. Sound quality is clear, offering a great balance for casual listening or immersive sessions. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for daily use without the need for constant recharging. A solid all-in-one device for entertainment and practicality. This supercharger is an ultra-compact powerhouse that delivers 120 watt of total output, making it ideal for charging everything from smartphones to laptops. Its 4 USB-C ports ensure multiple devices can be charged simultaneously, and GaN technology keeps it efficient and cool during fast charging. Compatible with a range of devices including Xiaomi, Samsung, iPhone, and MacBook, it offers incredible versatility. With smart power distribution and a reliable build, this charger is perfect for modern tech setups where speed and convenience matter. This 8MP Wi-Fi surveillance robot camera offers top-tier security with high-resolution footage and wide-angle coverage, thanks to its PTZ functionality. The built-in AI smart tracking feature ensures every movement is detected and followed, making it ideal for full-room monitoring. Two-way audio adds a layer of convenience for communicating with loved ones or pets. With color night vision, it continues to deliver sharp details even in low light. Easy to install and highly responsive, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their smart home security. This Bluetooth mouse combines ergonomic comfort and advanced features in one sleek package. Its vertical design and 8-button layout make it perfect for extended use without causing strain. Whether using Bluetooth or 2.4G wireless mode, switching between devices is effortless. The customizable RGB lighting adds a personal touch to any workspace. With a built-in rechargeable battery and OLED screen displaying DPI and connection status, it's a functional and stylish addition to any gaming or office setup. The innovative gear folding knife mini corkscrew tool is a compact, multifunctional marvel that's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday carry. Made from durable stainless steel, it delivers solid performance with a smooth opening blade and secure lock. The integrated corkscrew is a smart addition for those unexpected moments when a bottle needs opening. Lightweight, yet tough enough for rugged tasks, this portable tool is ideal for camping, travel, or daily use. It's the perfect balance of style, practicality, and portability. This robot dog brings fun and learning together in a playful way. With actions like swimming, sitting, and even performing push-ups, it's designed to keep kids entertained for hours. The voice command feature adds a layer of interactivity, while the programmable movements let users create custom routines. It also has fun modes like kung fu dancing and storytelling, making it an engaging and educational toy. A great gift for tech enthusiasts and children alike. Perfect for content creators, this adjustable fill light makes a noticeable difference in video quality. The brightness control ensures that lighting can be tailored to any need, from soft glows to bold highlights. The dual color temperature function allows easy switching between warm and cool lighting, giving a professional look to any shoot. The sturdy desktop triangular bracket guarantees stability, and the threaded mount ensures compatibility with most equipment. Ideal for vloggers, streamers, and photographers seeking reliable lighting. This 22-in-1 multi-purpose electronics cleaning kit is a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their tech in pristine condition. With a variety of tools, it's perfect for cleaning Bluetooth earbuds, charging ports, and keyboards. The precision brushes reach tight spots, while the microfiber cloth ensures a spotless finish. Compact and easy to organize, this kit makes tech maintenance simple and effective. It's a must-have for any gadget enthusiast. This outdoor waist-hanging fan is designed for maximum convenience and comfort. Turbocharged airflow provides a strong and steady breeze with 3 adjustable speeds to suit any preference. The clip-on feature allows it to be worn on the belt, shirt, or pants for hands-free cooling during outdoor activities. With a powerful 4,500 mAh battery, this fan ensures long-lasting comfort. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, gardeners, or anyone in need of a portable cool breeze.